what I have shown is Cayley-Hamilton theorem verification. What was the question asked? Verify the Cayley-Hamilton theorem and also find the inverse of the given matrix. So, how will you find the inverse of the given matrix? So, to find the inverse, of the matrix, that is A inverse, we will multiply throughout the characteristic equation by A inverse. Multiply by A inverse the characteristic equation. So, when you multiply this, what do you get? A inverse into A cube plus 4 A inverse into A square minus 4 A inverse into A minus 12 A inverse into I, which is equals to 0. So, we know that by the property A inverse into A, which will give you I, and A inverse into I, which will give you A inverse itself. It is like 1. I is nothing but the identity matrix. So, from this property we can say that we will get it as A inverse into A cube will give you A square plus 4 into A minus 4 into A inverse into A will be I minus 12 into A inverse, which is equals to 0. What we are supposed to find out? They asked us to find out only the inverse part, that is A inverse only we need to find out. We will keep only A inverse to one side, take all the other terms to the other side. So, we will get it as A inverse is equals to, we can write it as 12 A inverse, which is equals to A square plus 4A minus 4I. Therefore, A inverse equal to 1 by 12 into A square plus 4A minus 4I. Now, simplify this. Already we know that what is the matrix A square and what is the matrix A. A is the given matrix and I is the identity matrix. From this we can get it as 1 by 12 into what is A square matrix? 5 minus 5 3 minus 4 16 minus 8 1 minus 1 3 plus 4 into what is the matrix? Given matrix A. 1 2 minus 1 3 minus 3 1 2 1 minus 2 minus 4 into identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now, solving all these, we will get some matrix that will be the A inverse matrix. So, how will you solve it? Therefore, A inverse, which is equals to 1 by 12 into, how will you solve this? See here, 5 plus 4 into 1, 9 minus 4, which will give you 5. For each thing you have to simplify. You will pick all the first elements from each matrix and simplify it. Similarly, the second element from all the matrices. So, final answer will be 5, 3, minus 1, 8, 0, minus 4, 9, 3, minus 9. So this is the final inverse of the matrix. So for 16 mark question, first they'll ask you to verify the Cayley-Hamilton theorem and hence find the inverse. How to verify the Cayley-Hamilton theorem? You need to find the characteristic equation and replacing lambda by A. After finding out the A cube, A square identity matrix, you will simplify it. Finally, you have to get the zero matrix. After getting the zero matrix, once the Cayley-Hamilton theorem is verified, you need to find the inverse part. How will you find the inverse part? Throughout the characteristic equation, you will multiply by A inverse. After getting the reduced equation, you will keep only A inverse to one side, take everything to the other side, substitute the corresponding matrices, simplify it, you will get A inverse matrix. So this is the final answer.